sumac. So this is sumac, and I'm sure you guys have all seen this on the side of the road. The leaves are alternate, or not alternate. They grow on opposite sides of each other. There we go. That's what I wanted. And it kind of just, it reminds me of a tropical plant, to be honest. And this is the sumac berries. And I love this plant because it's such a simple harvest, like from tree to being used. Basically, what I do during the summer, when it's dark red like this, you want to wait. You know, if it's pale red, you want to wait a little bit. You want to be patient. And if I snap this off, these are the sumac berries. It's it's made up of lots of little berries. If I can get it to focus, there we go. And if you taste a berry, it tastes like citrus. And it, just like citrus, it's high in vitamin C, and it's an astringent, so it helps tone things up. It helps, inflammation. It's very soothing for the body. It's very good for the urinary tract, the kidneys. It helps you. It's kind of like a diuretic. It helps kind of flush things out and get things working again. It kind of tones it up, and it's just but it's super yummy. I take these, I take a couple of these, and the berries come off. I don't know if you can see the berries. Yeah, just like that. The berries just come off, and I kind of rough it up a bit. I get most of the berries into a glass jar. I fill it up probably 3/4 of the way. You could do a full, full to the brim in the glass jar, or you could do even half of it. And then you pour water over it, and you let it sit for about 24 hours. It's really not scientific. It's not like a cookie cut recipe. You could do, you could do it that night and then strain it out in the morning. But it's so good. It almost tastes like a lemonade. It's just, it's not sweet, but it's like that citrusy taste. And what I do is I make also it's a meadow sweet and sumac syrup. So I make an infusion of this and a plant called meadow sweet. And then I pour the syrup, a little bit of the syrup, into the lemonade that I just made. And it's so good. It's so good for you. None of that high processed sugar. It's just, oh my goodness, I love it. And so this is sumac. You want to equate yourself with this. It's, it's a prolific grower. It's one of those things that it's kind of like invasive a little. And, why not turn the word invasive into, beneficial? This plant is meant for us to pick. It's meant for us to be used. It's, it can handle it. Even now, the berries dropping, they could become trees and come up, and then we use them. Just like any of the invasive species, the Japanese knotweed, the motherwort, you want to use these invasive species to our benefit. If we just kill it, then it's not becoming useful. It's not having a purpose. It's just being wasteful. So these are sumac berries, and I urge you, please try this. You will not be disappointed. You just need a little bit of sugar if you guys are, if you are used to sugary drinks. You can drink it without the sugar. It's just more, it's citrusy without the sweetness. So there you go. This is sumac.